Thursday, friends. So I am here on this very warm afternoon visiting my son at the cemetery. I was so sick for a while, and then we had so much rain I haven't had a chance. So I am here just kind of cleaning up his grave. So I don't know if you're able to see it. It's so sunny right now that I don't know what you can see and what you can't. So I brought some plants, but these came back from last year. And I don't want this one. I have no idea exactly what that is, but I mean, it came back, so we're going to leave it. And that one, I know this one right here gives a beautiful purple flower. So we'll leave that one as well. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to stand this up so you can see what I'm doing. Let me see. Maybe I'll put it this way. Alright, we'll see how this is going to turn out. I'm not sure if it's going to come out a good video or not, but we will find out, right? It is really warm. And I did stop by Dunkin' to get myself a iced coffee. It's in the vehicle, so when I can't take it anymore, I will go and have a sip. Actually, you know, it isn't just that bad. I thought it was going to be worse. So I'm just going to step to the vehicle so I can go get the flowers. And I'll be right back. So here I am back. Oh boy, this is getting in the way. All right, here I am. Now, hold on. Alright, so I got some poppies, but I don't know if I'm going to have so much room over here to plant them. This is a big pot. I can also plant some in the back. That's not a problem. Alright, so I just took them out of the pot. See, I'm going to try to plant this one over here at the front. Hope my big butt isn't in the way. Boy, it is, wow, it is hot. It is very hot. But if I don't do this now, I'm getting a new resident at work today. And I don't know what kind of person she is, if she needs a lot of help or whatever. So I don't know what I'm in for. So I just wanted to come before I got wicked busy again. I didn't have the grandbabies this week that are visiting from South Carolina because I had to take my daughter to 2 doctor's appointments, and then I had one this morning. So hopefully this weekend I can have them, and sometime next week too. Alright, here we go with this bag again. Oh, you know what? I got this now that I can also put over here to hold. I have no idea how this video is coming out. No idea. This is my son's place of rest. My son. It's weird, you know how things are. The Undertaker, I hate that word, Undertaker. I don't know, it reminds me of the wrestling guy. But that's always taken care of, like my family's funeral arrangements and stuff. He passed away a couple of days ago. You know, it's weird because you think, you think that they don't die. They die too, So right now, I'm just putting some flowers over here on the side of the stone. Planting some over here. I'm going to move down the tablet around so you can see it. Okay. Somebody else was here. They left a heart, and it was probably his friend. Her name is Lindsay. She had the biggest crush on my son. Her biggest crush. She was devastated when he passed. But he was a good soul. A lot of people. He touched a lot of people in his short life. My son touched a lot of people that I wasn't even aware of. I found out after his passing. Never bragged about anything, never. God knows how much I miss him. My husband and I used to say he'd be the one to take care of us when we got older, but I don't know. That's gone. Right. Okay, so can you